Here we go. Yesterday we have started with the series parallel differences. Differences we have written yesterday, and we have started solving, say, simple basic numericals on series and parallel. Is that correct? Is that yes?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So today we'll just continue our discussions with solving numericals. Solving numericals continue. Right now, find effective resistance between A and B. Find effective resistance between A and B. You have to find effective resistance between terminals A and B. Here it is A, here it is B. This is say 4 ohms, and this is 8 ohms, and this is 8 ohms. Fast. You have to find effective resistance between A and B. Quick. You have to find effective resistance between A and B. Fine. So, how are these 8 and 4 connected? 8 and 8 are connected in parallel. How that? These two are in parallel. Now, since two are connected in parallel, what is its effective resistance? Can I write 8 by 2, 8 ohm by 2, 4 ohm? On what basis did I write? Yesterday we have written one formula. When two identical resistors are connected in parallel, two or more, when n identical resistors are connected in parallel, their effective resistance is R by N. How that? When identical resistors are connected in parallel, effective resistance is R by N. Did we write this? Yes. What is R? 8. What is N? 2. Is it 4 ohms? Yes. If not, you can solve it using the regular procedure. You know, Rp is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Rp is equal to 8 into 8 divided by 8 plus 8. Rp is equal to 8 into 8 by 16. 8 ones are 2s are 2 ones are 4s. Rp is equal to 4. Even if you do like this, same answer. Answer will not change. Answer will not change. Now, this is A, this is B, this is 4, this is 4. This is not a new numerical. It is a numerical Allah. It is continuation. These two are in parallel and effective resistance Rp was 4 ohm. This is Rp now. Is that clear? Is that clear? Arthayakandra. If there are resistors, but no, this is a resistor. Is that clear? Hello, people. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Now, how are these connected now? These are connected in series. They are in series. Now, how will you find resistance? Simple. This and this are in series. Are there? Again, I can use the shortcut formula. Rs is equal to R into N. What is R? 4 ohm. What is N? 2. What is its answer? 8 ohm. Again, what is Rs? 8. Or what is net resistance? Net resistance is 8 ohm. So answer is 8 ohm. Sir, can I do using a regular procedure? Or in regular procedure, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. What is value of R1? R1 value is 4, R2 is 4. What is 4 plus 4? 18. Either this or this. Both are 197. Is that clear? Is that clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And yes, of course, the more numericals you solve, the better you are at the subject. More numericals you solve, the better you are at the subject. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please continue solving, Vega. Fast. I'll erase this question. Hope you would have written question. I'll write a new question now. This you will solve. This is A, this is B, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 6. Vega, try mine. Fast, quick. Try. Done? Yes? Yeah. Now, first, your task is to identify series parallel. If you want, you can write current directions. Then already had in yesterday. It is not compulsion. Haganta, it will help you to solve numericals. Is that clear? Yes. Observe. How are these two connected? These two are connected in parallel. Do you agree with this, people online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, boss. How are these three connected? These three are connected in parallel. Do you agree with this? Yes, sir. Now, start. These two, I'll start. Okay, I'll solve this first. I'll solve this portion. So you can name R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7. All this you can do. Your compulsions, However, you are comfortable, you can solve in that process. But answers should not change. You cannot violate the procedure. Is that clear? There is a procedure, in procedure, series, parallel identification first, then reducing the circuit. That procedure you have to follow, you cannot violate. Rest is your wish. Fine. Yeah. Now, these two are in parallel. I'll write immediately here. So what is the relation? Rp is equal to 2 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3. What is 2 into 3? I'll write it as it is. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So instead of these two, effective resistance is 6 by 5. Do you agree with this? Yes. Next, I have three resistors in parallel. How many? 1, 2, 3 in parallel. Are these identical? Check. 4, 4, 4. Yes, they are identical. Since they are identical, can I use this formula? Rp is equal to R by N. Is that correct, people online? Saryendra? Yes. So it is 4 ohm divided by 3. So it is 4 by 3 ohm. Is that correct? Mahaniyare, Mahidare, ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes, boss. Now, please start continue. This is terminal A. I have 6 by 5 ohm. This is 6 by 5 ohm. This 4 ohm remains as it is. 4 ohm. Here I have 4 by 3 ohm as it is. 4 by 3 ohm as it is. And here I have a 6 ohm resistor. This is B. Is that correct? Is that correct, people? Hello? Yes. Now, shall we continue solving? Yes. Ega, how are all these connected? All these are connected in series. All these put together they are connected in series. Agidre, what is RS equal to 6 by 5 plus 4 plus 4 by 3 plus 6. Okay. Now it is simple basic mathematics. LCM 5 into 3 on my left with I have 3 into 6 plus I have 5 into 3 into 4 plus I have 3 here 5 into 4 plus I have 6 into 5 into 3. Is that correct? LCM ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? See, however you know this LCM, you can opt that procedure. There is no hard and fast rule. Is that clear? ಇದು clumsy ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Separate ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ detail ಆಗಿ or is it visible? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, thank you. Now, this you will do. This I'll leave it to you. ಬೇಗ fast ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I want RS final value. I want final value RS fast. RS fast, ಬೇಗ.
Sir,
Yes, please listening.
sir, first one, sir, first parallel lines, the 2 ohm and 2 ohm, sir.
2 ohm and 3 ohm.
3, sir.
ಇದು.
Yes, sir, that you do it with 1 by RP formula, sir.
Yeah.
I having doubt.
Yeah, fine. I'll do it here. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll do it here. Observe. Same thing. I'm doing it here. So 1 by RP is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Okay? 1 by RP is equal to LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 into 3. What am I left with? 3 plus 2. What will I get? 5 by 6. What is 5 by 6? 5 by 6 is 1 by RP. 1 by RP is 5 by 6. ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? RP. What is RP? 6 by 5. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hope I have clarified the doubt. Did I? Yeah, I have. Next, I want final answer for this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ final conclusion ಬೇಕು. Fast, फटाफट. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay.
1.5.
Okay, so you can multiply, divide, you will do it. Fine. Next question. Last question in this format. Next we'll go to new form. First, you have to write the question. This looks like alphabet A. Alphabet A tha appear aagta hai. Yes.
Yes.
Eager task is to identify which is in series, which is in parallel. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕೆಲಸ is identification. ಏನ್ identification? Series ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, parallel ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ. Series parallel identification is first. I'll start from this time. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now, I'll imagine I is the amount of current which enters at A. This I amount of current comes here. Here the current branches. I'll imagine I1 part of the current comes here. I2 part of the current comes here. I1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, I2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I2 continues to flow. I2 continues to flow. I2 continues to flow. Here what happens? Here it was I1 only. I1 and I2 combines to form I. Again observe, I is the amount of current. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ I current ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು current. ಏನೇನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? I1 ಮತ್ತೆ I2. ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? Current will split at a node. ನಾನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, electric current flow through a conductor can be analyzed similar to flow of current, flow of water in a pipe. Pipe ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಪೈಪ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್. ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದೆ? If same amount of current flows series, different current flows, it is parallel. ಹೌದಾ? Same current flow ಆದ್ರೆ series, different current flow ಆದ್ರೆ parallel. Is it a yes or is it a no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same current flow ಆದ್ರೆ series. Now observe. See, same current flows. So these two are in series. Then find effective resistance. Rs is equal to 3 ohm plus 2 ohm. It should be 5 ohm. It's quite obvious. 3 plus 2, 5. ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? 5 ohm ಆಯ್ತು. So in resistance is to 5 ohm. Nice. Fair enough. Makes sense. Next, ಮುಂದೆ continue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ohm. Should I write the circuit? Better write the circuit. You'll get a clarity. Instead of these two resistors, replace it with one resistor whose resistance is 5. The circuit somewhat appears like this. Hold on. Correct. Here again, I have a resistor. Here I have a resistor. Same circuit. Same circuit. ಇದು A ಹಾಗೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು B, ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ here it is 5 ohm, here it is 6 ohm, here it is 4 ohm. Write current so that you can analyze it. I, here it is I1, here it is I1, here it is I2, here it is I2, both combine to form I, they combine to form I. Is that correct? Yes. Now tell me, how are these two connected? It had connected erado parallel. Why? Current branches. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. If they are in parallel, what next? 4 into 5 divided by 4 plus 5. 20 divided by 9 ohm. Hold on. Is that correct? Write another circuit. Instead of 2 resistors, now I have one resistor of resistance 20 by 9. So it is 20 by 9 ohm. 20 by 9 ohm. Here I have a resistor of resistance 5 ohm. Here I have another resistor of resistance 6 ohm. Here comes current I. Here comes current I1. Here comes current I1. Sorry. Here combine I. Here comes current I. And here comes current I. See, these two will combine to form I. How the two resistors will combine to form one resistor, and two currents will combine to form one current. Okay. Again, how are these three connected? These three are in series. Do you agree with this? Opkotirandra? Yes. If these three are in series, what is its effective resistance? If three are in series, what is its effective resistance? Effective resistance is 9. Effective resistance is 5 plus 20 by 9 plus 6. 5 plus 20 by 9 plus 6. Yes, what the answer or the answer? How that? Fast, quick. Five 20 by 9 6. How that? Yes.
129, sir.
Huh?
129 ohm.
129 birth answer.
So 13.2.
Okay, LCM 9. 9 into 5. 9 into 5 plus 20 plus 6 into 5. 6 5s are, okay, 9 5s are 45 plus 20 plus 30. 15 plus 45, 50 plus 45 is 95. So 95 by 9. 9 tens are 10 point something or the answer. Is that correct? Is that correct? Hey, sorry. Should be 9. 9 into 6. Should be 9 into 6. 6 9s are 54. So it is 5 plus 4 9. And it is 5 plus 4 9 10 11. 119 by 9. 9 11s are 99. 9 12s are divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 12 point something ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ is that
So
correct
13.2. 13.2.
90 27 ಹಾ 13 point something ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ
Yes, sir. 13.2.
okay yeah fine so answer is 13.2 fine okay so this was only calculation of series and parallel alli idea use ಮಾಡಿ effective resistance. Now we will include calculation of current and calculation of voltage resistance jotege. Okay, fine. Now here is a circuit. There is a circuit. Okay. 3 ohm, 3 ohm, 5 I have a 6 volt battery. Positive, negative. Question is finding current through each resistor. Find current through each resistor. Find current through each resistor. Is the question. Find current through each resistor. Pass. Find current through each resistor. Yes. No, sir. See, for this battery, use all this, common sense, use all this comparisons. Here's going first. For this battery, though there are 2 resistors connected, will battery know how many resistors are connected? Answer is no. Battery effective resistance matra matter agutte. What matters to the cell? What matters to the battery? It is only the effective resistance that matters to the battery. Why? What is role of a battery? Role of a battery is to push electrons across the resistors. Role of a battery is to create potential difference. Role of a battery is to energize electrons. Howda? Electrons na push mado kelsa ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ battery. Battery ಗೆ 1 ಇದೆಯೋ 2 ಇದೆಯೋ 15 resistor ಇದೆಯೋ, it is irrespective of battery's task. But battery wants total resistance. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See, there are 2 bags in a truck. Truck ಬೇಡ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 bags ಇದೆ. Each bag of 500 kg. Bag number 1 is 500 kg. Bag number 2 is 500 kg. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 1000 kg. So this engine of the auto rickshaw should be capable enough to pull this 1000 kg load. 2 bags adu irli, 3 bags adu irli, it doesn't matter. What matters is total load. This total load to rickshaw. How that? Total load to rickshaw is 1000 kg. Is it yes or is it no? Is it a yes or is it a yes? Andre you 1000 kg ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಟ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಟೋ, or 500 kgs the 2 bags ಇಟ್ರು auto should do the same work. Basically we are coming to a conclusion that whenever there are this combination of resistors connected, first find effective resistance. V is equal to I R effective. V is equal to I R effective is the formula. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is R effective? R effective under net resistance. Net resistance in the circuit. Net resistance in circuit. Circuit ಅಲ್ಲಿ total resistance ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಎರಡು resistors? How are these connected? They are connected in series. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ R effective is basically RS, which is basically 3 ohm plus 3 ohm, which is basically 6 ohms. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes, 6. ಹಾಗೆ R effective 6 ohms. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is what matters to the cell. This is 6 ohm resistor, positive, negative, V. And the V value is 6 volts. V value is 6 volts. Again, the formula is V is equal to IR effective. 6 is equal to I into 6. So I is equal to 1 ampere. Again, what is total current in the circuit? 1 ampere. Now please observe. ಏನು observe ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ question ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇನು? What was the question? Find current through each resistor. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So what is current through each resistor? Whatever is current that you have calculated, that is current through each resistor. Therefore current through each resistor. Therefore current through each resistor is 1 ampere. Therefore current through each resistor is 1 ampere. Is that clear? Is that clear, people? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
People online, is it a yes? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So current through each resistor is 1 ampere. Do you have any confusions as such? Fine. Yeah. Question remains the same. Find current through each resistor. Okay, find current through each resistor is the question. Question on that. Find current through each resistor. Find current through each resistor. Fast, quick. Done. Shall I continue? Yeah, here we go. Find current through each resistor is the question.
Sir, you have muted, sir.
Sorry?
Sir,
May I
you
know
have
that?
muted yourself, sir.
No, I did not mute myself. Am I audible? I'm not audible, is it? Hello? People, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm audible, right? Fine. Okay. Now find current through each resistor is the question. Now have a look. Current I starts flowing from the cell. Cell in the I amount of current flow ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. current enters here, current branches, il branch agutte current I1 matte I2, I1 I2 continues to flow, here again current is I1, here again current is I2, current continues to flow, here it is I, here it is I. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಏನು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದ ಅದರ್ ವೇ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ say V volts ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ದಟ್ it is V here, it is 0 here. ಹೌದಾ potential difference V minus 0 is V. Is that correct? You can write under the separating note ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Under that first. Second, if you have say 20 volt alidre, this is 20 volt, this is 0 volts, 20 and 0, 20 and also see, if I have a cell here, say there are 12 volts there, here I would write 12V, here I will write 0V. Also you have to remember another point. There is another point to remember. If there is no resistor connected, if there is no resistor connected andre eno by chance ಯಾವುದೇ resistor na connect madilla andre, then there is no drop in the potential, then there is no drop in the potential andre no potential drop agalla yavaga when there is no resistor connected. If there is no resistor connected, then there is no drop in potential along a current carrying wire. Current carrying wire ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಈಗ ನಾನೊಂದು ವಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಾದಾ ವಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆ 2 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ 2 ವೋಲ್ಟ್. ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. there is no drop in potential. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್? ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? I should do some work. Whenever I do work, what happens? There is difference in potential. Yake? Work done by charge is equal to potential. Howda? Work done by charge is equal to potential. Yes or no? Yes sir. Nanu work ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, potential drop ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I mean charge ಇದೆ, ಆಗ potential drop ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಷಯ ಬಂತು. ನಾನು ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ potential change ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಅದೇ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ if ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರ 1 2 3 ಇದು 4A 4B I'll write here, 4B I'll write. If there is a resistor, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 volt ಇದೆ. If there is a resistor, is potential 2 volt? Here potential will not be 2 volts. Here potential will not be 2 volts. 2 volts iralla. Yakiralla 2 volts? Same reason. Naven bardidive resistor connect madilla andre no change in potential. Resistor connect adre there is change in potential. Is that clear? Is that clear people? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Barkoli. It is useful while solving even. Big. Done. How am I using this information here? Nan information ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ? I'll tell you. See, I will use a different chalk. It will help ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Please tell me whether this different color is visible. Can you differentiate this ಅಂತ check ಮಾಡಿ. Unit 12 ಅರ್ಧ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Can I write 12 here? Is this visible? Visibility?
Yes, sir.
No or yes?
Visible ಇದೆ sir.
Visible ಇದೆ. Okay. ಇದು 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ 12 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Same idea. There is no resistor. ಇಲ್ಲಿ here also I can write 12 volts. This is 12 volts obviously. Is that correct? Yeah. Illi it is 0 volts. Here it is 0 volts. 0 volts yake? Same idea. Yak 0 volts aaytu? Obviously illi ellu resistor illa. Illi here again it is 0 volts. Yake? Same idea. No resistor. Is that clear? Illi 12 idre illa estirutte? Here again it is 12. Illi 0 idre illa estirutte? Here again it is 0. Is that clear? Ega, please use this idea of resistors in parallel. Please use this idea of resistors in parallel. Yen helutte idea of resistors in parallel? If two resistors or more, if resistors are connected in parallel or any devices are connected in parallel, potential drop remains same. Howda? Andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 minus 0 potential ಎಷ್ಟು? 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 minus 0 potential ಎಷ್ಟು? 12. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ potential drop 12, ಇಲ್ಲೂ potential drop 12. ಹೌದಾ? Is that correct? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರ? Yes. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ can I easily find out current? ಈಗ ಸಖತ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6, ಇಲ್ಲಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ I1, ಇಲ್ಲಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ I1. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? V is equal to I1 into R. R1 ಅಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ. V ಎಷ್ಟು? 12 minus 0, 12. I1 ಎಷ್ಟು? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. R1 ಎಷ್ಟು? 6. ಹಾಗೆ I1 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? I1 is 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 ampere. I1 value 2 ampere. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes. Yes. Next, ಅದೇ ತರ next half of the circuit ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Potential same ಇರುತ್ತೆ obviously. Right, next half of the circuit. Illusto 1, illusto 0. The current ಎಷ್ಟು? I2. The current ಎಷ್ಟು? I2. ಇದೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 ohm. ಇದನ್ನ R2 ಅನ್ನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ R1 ಅನ್ನಿ. V is equal to I2 into R2 ಅನ್ನಿ. V ಎಷ್ಟು? 12 minus 0, 12. I2 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. R2 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are. I2 ಎಷ್ಟು? 4 ampere. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it yes or is it no? Is it a yes? ಬರೀರಿ, ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಬರೀರಿ, ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Write down if you have doubt. Get your doubts clarified. Aitha lekka? Did you solve this lekka, people? Hello. Hello, do you have any doubts? Did you solve this, people? Hello, hello, hello. Hey, solve madidra, doubt idya?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Yes, okay, fine. So if you are done with this, we'll end our session for the day. We'll continue our discussion in next class. Next class we'll solve 1 or 2 more numericals and then we'll go to new concept. Previous odidral doubt idrono, please feel free to ask. Is that clear? You can also write your doubts and send it across in your WhatsApp group. The procedure ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Please get in touch. Madam yaro Spock idare, avar hatra get in touch. You can ask your doubts to her. In turn, she will pass on to us and we will clarify your doubts. Is that clear? Yes, fine. Thank you.
Yes,
Take care.
sir.
Bye bye. Have fun. Enjoy. Love you. See you next class. You can
Bye.
be
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.